Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. Everyone talk about upcoming iOS 18 update, however, public update not available yet, but we can get beta update for iPhones. But it can't find beta update section. This video will teach you how to get beta update of iOS 18. Let's start. Open Safari browser and type beta.apple.com. Following this page we can access for beta updates. Sign up with your Apple ID, same as your iPhone Apple ID. Accept the agreements. Next step is, in this Get Start section, click Enroll your device. Click this blue icon. Open Beta Update. Now we can see Beta Update available and its status is off. Check again, Update section. On the Beta Update. Now we can see Beta Update available only for iOS 17. To enable iOS 18 update here, open again with Safari browser, apple.beta.com, and find Apple Developer Program. Then click Learn about Apple Developer Program. Now we can see latest release updates here. Open it and find iOS 18. After find the iOS 18, click View Downloads. We can see another agreements here, and accept the also. Everything is done now. We need wait couple of minutes now. After, we can check update again.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit and the coffee ain't hit.
We can see iOS 18 available now. You can install and enjoy with own your risk. Remember, this is beta developer update. Comment me below. Does it work for you or not? Thank you for watching us. Subscribe me to watch more videos. See you again.
And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe?